It's the first thing you see when entering your home. Your doors are important to the operation and security of your house.
Everybody goes through doors on a daily basis and kind of forgets the importance of them. So it's an important element when it comes to remodeling.
Here at Builder's Bargain in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, local homeowners and contractors have a wide selection of doors, both exterior and interior. Professionals in the store help customers get more bang for the buck and provide valued expertise.
The main focus is doors, trim, and hardware, and we really just provide the best service possible on those things. So you can come in and you can get personalized service that you're not going to get at the big box stores, and we can really do it all. I mean, we have our own shop in-house. We're able to customize, give you the products that you probably won't find elsewhere. Turnaround times are simple for us. I mean, within a week, we could do almost anything for you.
Meet Sarah and Justin, homeowners in the market for new doors.
Well, our home here is a mid-1950s home with original doors that are hollow, and decided wanted something more substantial. We've got children now. You can hear the kids from the rooms through the doors, so the age of the existing doors, we knew it was time.
Not only did we have old doors, we had a nanny who put stickers all over the doors. So it was time to paint, and we decided instead of just painting, we would get all new doors and trim.
Looking for doors, did a lot of research online, but couldn't really tell what our style was. And I drive through Fort Lauderdale almost daily. Saw Builder's Bargain. I stopped in one day, and that's what we were looking for. So came home, I told Sarah and said, I think I found a great place for us to look at doors.
I have a hard time shopping at big box stores. I don't make decisions well there, and I need a lot of extra service. And so when we went to Builder's Bargains, we found somebody who could actually help us pick the style that we were looking for and the trim as well.
Hey guys.
So, hey,
Hey, Matt.
how are you?
Justin, nice to see you again.
Good to see
Sarah?
you.
So last time we were here, we were in browsing, but now it's time to make some decisions. We're ready to go.
Great. Have you had a closer look at anything here yet that you like?
Well, our house is mid-century, 1950s, so probably something more on the traditional end.
Okay. You know, I think for your guys' case, probably something in between. Okay, we have what we call transitional, which is not too modern or too traditional, really. Kind of fits right in between. It'll kind of give you a nice clean feel, an updated look, but not kind of get you away from the traditional sense. So
Our doors currently in our home are hollow. Definitely want to go with something solid.
no problem. This particular door is available both ways. So if you want to upgrade to solid core, you can do it. They look exactly the same, but the solid core will give you that sort of soundproofing and just a weightier feel.
So we've got some different sized doors at our house. Some of them are narrow. How do we handle that?
So what I'll do is I'll put you in touch with an installer. That's going to be a key thing. He's going to want to come out, measure, get appropriate measurements for the door sizes and frames and so forth.
I like the Carrera. What do you think?
Looks good. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Great.
The Carrera.
Great.
Okay.
One of the first things I look at when installing the doors is the size of the jamb and the size of the opening. In the old homes, the plaster openings make for different size jambs, and with Builder's Bargain, they're able to produce a door for us that'll match the openings, unlike the big box stores where everything is cut to specific sizes off the shelf. This way we get a proper fit on all of the doors, so the molding lays flat and the hardware all works.
So we're nearly completed with the project, and we couldn't be happier with how it all came out. The process was so easy for us.
Yeah, and the difference new doors makes in your home is it's exceptional.
We've been in town for 40 years, so we have a tremendous following as far as customership, but we're always looking to grow, and we want people to know that we are a neighborhood staple around here, and we want you to know that we're that mom and pop shop that you're gonna come in and have a really great customer experience and be able to see lots of things and get them for a reasonable price in a really reasonable amount of time.